Hello guys, today I'm not riding anywhere. I've decided to be Milion first person to make video about cleaning and lubing your motorcycle chain. I've tested a lot of things in the past, such as motor chain clean, chain lube. I have castor chain spray, which is also a lubricant. I still have a lot of it. Markov chain lube and things like that. These things have one quite important thing in common, and they are quite expensive. This total is about 20 euro, which is very expensive. So I tried to search old instructions for motorcycle chains. I mean old, like from 1980s, because in 1980s I guess these substances didn't exist, but people still had to clean and lube the chains somehow. And I found out that recommended product for this is this, which is in translation kerosene, and then transmission oil 80W90, which is quite a thick oil. I didn't find any here in my garage in the mess, but I found SAE90, which is also quite a thick oil, but not as thick as the 80W90 as far as I can remember. So I will use it for demonstration. A good idea for cleaning the chain is to put the kerosene in a sprayer like this, so that you can spray the kerosene over the chain and clean it easily. And then to have a brush like this, which also can be an old toothbrush, or there are some specialized products which have brushes like this and from the rear side, and you can clean the chain all at once. So I use this one. So, and then you need an old rag, and you need a piece of old cardboard here, so that you don't spray the kerosene over the wheel. So simple, straightforward procedure. Clean the chain like this, damage the layer of old lube, and let the kerosene go through the whole chain, and after that rub it with the old rag. Also, it is important to do it somewhere here below the where the mufflers are here, from the inside of the chain. So clean everything from the kerosene, and then take the oil and again apply it with the brush from inside here, not from outside, because it would be washed away with the force made by the rotating sprocket. So something like this, and here, which is not visible from the bottom, apply the oil. You can also apply the oil here a bit, but most of the oil should go to the inside of the chain. It's not visible, unfortunately, but I'll try to do it. And then when it's done, just clean the oil from the chain, and that's it. When I stop the video, I will do a time lapse of cleaning the whole chain and show you the final result, but I think it's very nice result when using these two things, kerosene and the ATW90 oil. The advantage of using, let's say, normal transmission oil to lube the chain is that it doesn't create the sticky layer on the chain, and dirt and dust and sand and grass and whatever doesn't stick to the chain, so the chain remains quite clean all the time, and it is very easy to clean and re-lube the chain again. So that's my way. You can try it. Even if you are used to the chain loop like this, it is always a good idea to use the kerosene to clean it, because you can save some money, and I think the cleaning with kerosene is more effective than cleaning the chain with this things like this, because you can clean like 2 chains with this, but you can clean 50 chains with a bottle like this, so you can save some money. So this is the final result of cleaning and lubing the chain with kerosene and transmission oil. The chain looks like new. Even here on these outer links there is a film of oil, so it is protected from the rust a bit, and the chain looks like new. It's looped, and I really like the way this method works. Depending on your preferences, use whichever loop you like, but I think the kerosene as a chain cleaner is the best way and the cheapest way how to clean your motorcycle chain. So thanks for watching. Ciao.